Profit and loss practice set question number 1. Here, the question we have, yes, please pause the video, try solving it by yourself before watching the solution. Question says a dealer offers a cash discount of 20% and still make a profit of 20%. Nice. When he further allows 16 articles to a dozen of a particular sticky bargainer. All right. So now this part, the 16 article which he is offering is giving out against a dozen. That means, so he's allows 16 articles to a dozen. That means he is taking the money of only one dozen and letting the customer take 16 articles. Did you understand that? He further allows 16 articles to a dozen to a particularly sticky bargainer. Yeah, must be a really strong bargainer, right? So he is getting 20% discount, and furthermore he is getting 4 articles extra on, 4 article extra free. Yeah, he is getting 16 articles for a dozen. Okay, how much percentage above the cost price were listed? Okay, that means we need to find out in a layman term, we need to find out what mark price, the MRP of the article which he has put, right? And we need to see how much this is more than the cost price. Yeah, this in a simple term, this is called markup percentage. What we need to calculate is markup percentage. What is markup percentage? Markup percentage is how much is mark price more than cost price in terms of percentage. This is what we need to find actually. Yeah, did you understand the question? Now, do you also see here that the shopkeeper has given 2 discount? One is 20% and he further allow another discount, right? He further allow another discount and still he is making profit of 20%. So isn't it discount after discount? Yeah. Instead of this, if I replace the second statement saying that okay, he is giving discount of 20% and further he is giving discount of 10% and he is getting the profit of 20%. So we got what? Discount after discount. Yeah, a sequence of discount, a series of discount. We have discussed this concept in our concept builder video. I hope you remember that. So what I'll do here to find out this, I will first find the percentage discount in the second deal, which is not given in the percentage directly. Yeah, the second statement, not the deal, but second statement. So he is selling what? He is selling 16 articles and supposed to be 16 articles, and then he is getting paid for what? 12 of them, right? So for him the mark price is 16 and the selling is of 12. He is receiving only selling price as the price of 12. So what is the second discount? The discount here will be, did you understand that? The discount here will be, he was supposed to pay 16 for 16. So for a customer, he will look for the mark price. So he will say, okay, just for example, if MRP, the mark price for one article is 1 rupee. So he was supposed to pay what? 16 rupees, because he is getting what? 16 articles. But question said the shopkeepers settled with a dozen. That means he is actually paying how much? He is actually paying how much? Only for 12 articles, that is 12 rupees. Did you understand that? He was supposed to pay for 16, but he is end up paying only for 12. Yeah, because shopkeeper is allowing this kind of discount. Yeah, so this discount percentage will be the mark price here. Yeah, so he is supposed to pay for 16, but he paid only for 12, and divide by 16 into 100. Yeah, the formula for discount percentage, mark price minus selling price by mark price into 100. Discount percentage is calculated on mark price. Yeah, we have learned this, we have repeatedly learned this. Discount percentage calculated on mark price, profit percent calculated on cost price, loss percentage calculated on cost price. Yes, so if you simplify this further, what you have here is 4 upon 16, that's nothing but 1 upon 4 into 100. 1 upon 4 into 100 will get you what? 25%. So I got the value in percentage of the second discount. Now I will make this question read like, first he had 20% discount, then he had further 25% discount, and still he is making what? Profit of 20%. Guys, don't get confused here. I know this is the question formation like the question in exam. Yes, what is the difficulty level we should give it here? We can give level of difficulty 2 for this question. Yeah, because the logic we need to apply. Giving 20% discount, and here in the same sentence they have mentioned that there is a profit of 20% when he further allows 16 articles to a dozen. Yeah, so they are playing with words. Basically the shopkeeper is offering 20% discount on cash, and further he is offering another discount which is on which he is giving 16 articles against 12 articles at the price of 12 articles. Okay, so these are two discount, and then he is making profit of 20%. So they have just played with word to confuse, and many students might get confused here. They might feel that okay, 20% discount is given, 20% profit happened. Then why are you looking at the second statement and finding the discount? And even if that discount happened, then is there any change in the profit? No, don't get confused. This is, if you see, understand this English, from here to here, this is one sentence. Yeah. So this profit is on the entire deal, which is 20%. Are you okay with this? Now what will I do? If discount percentage is 20% and then further 25%, you know the series of discount. Yeah, in the series of discount, this is not equal to, for people who are watching this video directly, this is not equal to 45. This is series of discount. Guys, please watch the concept of series of discount. Now, if I want to find out the series of discount here, what will I do? Either I can go assume the mark price to be 100 or something, or I have also given you a small formula. I know I don't like much formula, but I have given you that if there are only two discounts, series of discount given, A% and B%. So equivalent single discount. So equivalent single discount, I can say equivalent single discount percent as A plus B minus A into B by 100. Yes. If only two discounts are given, if there are more, then this formula may not be applicable. You need to apply the concept of series of discount and get the single discount. Well, here luckily I have got two discounts, so I can directly say okay, this is 20% plus 25%. Let's so shorten up the explanation. 20 plus 25, that is 45. 45 minus 20% of 25, which is 5. Yeah. Okay. So this is what? 40%. So basically the discount is 40%. All right. Single equivalent discount is what? 40%. And profit percent is what? 20%. Now, what happened when discount percentage and profit percentage is given? Yes, I have explained in one of the chapter, we have discussed that if profit percent is given, then what is the formula? Discount percent is given, then what is the formula? Yeah, so this is selling price is equal to. So reminding of that lecture number 2 of profit and loss. If discount percent is given, then we say selling price equals to mark price into 100% minus discount percent. Because I have to remind you guys, that's why again I am taking more time. You should not take that much of time. If it is profit percent, profit applies on the cost price, and because it is profit means increase, discount means decrease. That's why discount is minus, profit is plus. All right, what next? Simplify further. What next? You have, if I use this here, yeah, discount, single equivalent discount is 40%, profit is 20%. If I simplify, if I use it here, this basically give me a relationship between cost price and mark price. Are you wondering how? Let me show you how. If discount is okay, Yes. Suspense. Now, the selling price should be equal to mark price, which I don't know, and 100 minus discount percent, so 40% discount, so it should be what? 60%. Alright, this is first condition. Okay. Now, if profit is for 20%, then it should be the same selling price in terms of cost price will be 20% profit, so multiply by 120%, right? Now let's compare both of them. Yes, compare both of them. What will be the outcome? Because left hand side for both equation is selling price, so that means the right hand side should also be equal. We have solved this kind of question in the practice question also, the concept builder lecture also. Mark price into 60% equal to cost price into 120%. If you simplify further, the percentage gone. Here I can say 60 ones are 60, 62s are 120. That means mark price should be double of the cost price. If a value become double, answer this. If a value become double, then it increase by what percent? You have to be comfortable with numbers. Don't calculate all the time. If a value become double, think about it. Your salary become double. Then it is increasing by 100%, isn't it? Yeah, it is increasing by 100%. Well, if you still don't understand, you can assume the cost price to be 100. Similarly, you get the mark price, because it is double, you get 200. See, from cost price 100 you want 200. That has to be an increase of 100%, right? By the way, this part should still be clear to you. We got the answer. It should increase by 100%. We got the answer. Let's mark the answer 100%. By the way, this should be clear to you. If a value become double, then it increases by 100%. If value become triple, 3 times, then it increased by 200%. If a value become 4 times, are you getting it? Then it has increased by 300%. 2 1 3 2 4 3. That's how you can remember. So this part should be pretty clear to you. All right. So the answer for this question is 100%. I hope you found this question interesting enough. Let's solve the next question.